yeah, the voiceovers about our experience and stuff like that.
Yeah, ice cream.
Like, so we don't have to talk a lot.
So in this room is where I test my subjects who are separated into 4 diet groups. One group eating a standard chow, one group eating a high-fat chow, and those same diet groups but with daily administrations of an omega-3 fatty acid. So using animal models of addiction, I record their locomotion in an open-field chamber, which uses the breakage of lasers to record their movement. They're ran with a stimulant drug and tested to see the effects of supplementations on diet groups. The results of this study will help us understand how diet can impact drug sensitivity.
Being in the Smartmind program has truly been an amazing opportunity to gain experience while studying the neuroscience of drug abuse. This, for example, is a room containing cubicles that we use in order to study drug abuse. The subject being studied is able to press a lever and actually self-administer a small dose of drug, essentially letting us know if they are becoming addicted and allowing us to analyze their degree of addiction and the components that might be related. This is just one of the many fascinating things the program has allowed me to experience.
My name is Ignacio Quintana Goicoechea, and I'm a junior at the University of South Florida. I'm majoring in biomedical sciences, and I aspire to one day be a neurosurgeon. I'm a huge fan of basketball and soccer, but I'm also fascinated by neuroscience and relativistic physics. The Smartmind program gave me the awesome opportunity to work in Dr. Han's lab. We investigate the genes of interest through Drosophila melanogaster, or fruit flies. Even though they may seem to be very simple creatures, 75% of known human disease genes have corresponding genes in fruit flies. This makes them very useful tools for investigating brain disorders, since most of these have genetic components. My project revolves around investigating impulsivity in flies with mutations in a gene called Scully. The Scully gene has been linked to Alzheimer's disease in humans, so investigating it could provide us with some insight into this complex disease and eventually save lives.
Hi, my name is Saul Fondasola. I currently attend Idaho State University, majoring in medical lab science and Spanish for the health professions.
I'm Jill Recchio. I'm a neuroscience major at Indiana University Southeast.
Hi, my name's Priscilla. I'm from El Paso. I'm currently a bio major here at UTEP.
Hi, my name's Haley. I go to school at San Edwards University in Austin, Texas, and I'm studying behavioral neuroscience.
I decided to apply for the Smartmind program for the excellent opportunity I would have to learn about research techniques, as well as to connect with a diverse community here in El Paso.
I chose Smartmind because the opiate epidemic is really bad in my hometown and my home state, so I want to be part of what makes a difference in drug addiction research.
I chose Smartmind because I was really interested in studying the topic of neuroscience, and I thought that this would give me full exposure to it.
I chose Smartmind because there were faculty doing a lot of cool research in behavioral neuroscience, specifically with drug research, which I've always been interested in.
I am currently working on a project based on the examination of an alternative antidepressant during adolescence and its impact to sensitivity to drugs of abuse during adulthood.
My project is in Dr. Odell's lab, where we study sex differences in nicotine addiction.
My project consists of studying motivation in the context of addiction, as well as analyzing how motivation affects people who abuse drugs.
So my research here is looking at the effects of substance use on behavior and social bonding in animal models.
My ultimate goal is to become a family physician and work in underserved areas, especially in Idaho, working primarily with the Latino community by providing medical services in their language and understanding their background.
After I graduate, I plan to get my PhD in behavioral neuroscience and then go on to work at a career at NIDA or NIMH.
After graduating, I'm still unsure whether to go on to med school or grad school.
After graduation, I plan to go to graduate school to obtain my PhD in behavioral neuroscience and then fully conduct my own research after that.